Bolt.diy has definitely been keeping me busy, but it's also important for me to be involved in the AI agent space in other ways as well. And so, behind the scenes for the past couple of months, I have been building up an incredible agent platform for you as a part of oTTomator, and it is called the Live Agent Studio. And it is now in pre-release, and so I am super excited to showcase it to you right now. The Live Agent Studio is a community-driven platform filled with cutting-edge agents for you to go and try out yourself right now and learn how to implement them for yourself and your business. All of the agents are completely open source, and I've created a way for you and the community to contribute agents to the platform. So together, we can build the best collection of AI agents. Also, I have a Christmas gift for you coming up pretty soon here related to the Live Agent Studio. So stay tuned for that on the 25th. Just want to drop that in there really quick. My primary goal with the Live Agent Studio is to build a completely revolutionary platform for you that is a one of a kind. I have not seen another platform that showcases a bunch of agents that you can try right in the interface. Open sources all of the agents, makes it possible for the community to contribute agents, standardizes the way to make the agents so you can build them with any platform, and last but not least, implements full chat and conversation history for every single agent. There are a lot of really cool platforms out there like agent.ai that showcase a bunch of really cool agents, but all of them fall short of having everything that I mentioned above, but the Live Agent Studio sure does. The Live Agent Studio is the perfect place for us to learn and build together so that we as a community can keep up with the incredible pace of AI and especially AI agents. And I'm going to be super sure that everyone gets all the recognition they could ever want for contributing to this repository of agents, and I'm even planning on making it possible in the future for you to be able to monetize your agents. One last thing before I showcase the studio, I just want to say really quickly that most of the agents that I'll be building for my YouTube channel going forward, I'm going to put right up on the Live Agent Studio for you to try in seconds, and it's definitely going to take the interactivity of my guides to the next level. You know, I always say that I'm on a mission along with you to build the best open source AI coding assistant with bolt.diy. And in a similar vein, I am also on a mission for you to be the best AI content creator. And giving away an insane amount of value on the Live Agent Studio is my next step to making that happen. And so with that, on to the showcase of the platform. All right, here we are in the oTTomator Live Agent Studio, and I am stoked out of my mind to bring you this pre-release right now. And I sincerely mean that. Like, I'm usually pretty giddy for all the videos I get to make for you, showcasing all the wonderful things happening in the world of AI, but this one is extra special because I have been working so hard for months on this platform, and still much more to come. I mean, it's just in pre-release, but even just getting this out here to the world, to you, is super exciting right now. It means so much for oTTomator, the platform that I'm building behind the scenes that I'll speak to a bit more in a bit. It means a ton for me and my channel, and also for you and just the value that I get to provide to you. And so right now I just want to showcase the platform quickly here, talk about some of the agents that I've got up initially, talk about how it's community driven and how you can contribute, and how it's open source and you can view the code for everything. I want to dive into that in this video for you right now. But before I do that, I want to speak really quickly to oTTomator, because this is the platform that I've been teasing for a while now that the Live Agent Studio is a part of. So what is oTTomator? Well, if you go over to oTTomator.ai, you can check out this page, read up on everything, but basically we are a one-stop shop for you to get all of the tools, networking, knowledge, and resources to succeed in this super fast evolving industry of AI. And so one way that you can think about it that's super valuable is that you can think of it as an extension to my YouTube channel. If you check out my videos and my tutorials and you want more, you want a community to learn more about N8N or local agents, or get involved with bolt.diy, or you want to try out agents or learn what the new hottest tools are for AI, oTTomator is the place for all of that. And so this is what I've been working on with a few other folks behind the scenes here, finally starting to bring this to you with some pre-releases for things like the Live Agent Studio. So I'm just super excited what this means for really just what I'm able to continue to provide to you as far as getting you equipped with everything you need to succeed with AI, both for yourself and for businesses that you might be running or starting, agencies, consulting, whatever you want to do. This is going to be the place for you to get equipped for that. All right, so back on over to the Live Agent Studio, because obviously that is the main focus of this video. I want to show you some agents, we'll even demo a couple out, and then just talk about how it's community driven and how you can contribute, and just the exciting future for this platform as a whole. And so these are the 9 agents that I've got on the platform to start. And it is already community driven in a sense because I've collaborated with a couple of other content creators already to get some agents on the platform. So we've got Zubair from his YouTube channel AI Workshop. We collaborated to get his business idea researcher agent here. And then also Nate, he's another N8N content creator. We collaborated to get his LinkedIn, X, and blog content creator agent on the platform as well. So both these guys, great content creators. I'd highly recommend checking them out. But yeah, the rest of the agents here are developed by me. But yeah, it's going to quickly grow into a community-driven platform, and I'll talk about later how you can get involved as well. No matter what platform you want to build your agents with, it can be compatible with the Live Agent Studio. So if you want to build with N8N, or you want to build with Pydantic AI with Python, or use the LangChain framework in JavaScript, or you want to use Flowise, it doesn't matter. You can build with any of those platforms, and as long as you follow a couple of specific criteria in the developer guide here, I can get your agent on the platform in just minutes. So that is the beauty of it. So yeah, just head on over to studio.oTTomator.ai and play with these agents yourself. Try them out, learn how to implement them. You get 100 free tokens to start right away. Obviously, we have to have some sort of token system to limit usage because we pay for the infrastructure, LLM costs, and API costs. But 100 is definitely all you need to get started. Try out these agents. And yeah, also check out these other pages that we've got here. We got an About page that walks through very quickly what we've got going on here with the Live Agent Studio. And then we have our developer guide. This, I've spent so much time pouring into this because it gives you an insane amount of detail of how exactly you can implement an agent that is compatible with the Live Agent Studio. So some specific requirements around the payload that your agent accepts and how it manages conversation history. I even have some sample agents in GitHub for you to get a kind of template to build an agent for the studio. So I've got a ton of really awesome resources for you here, and then also a page for you to submit your agent. Also be sure to give a URL for me to give credit to you, like your LinkedIn, X, YouTube, whatever, because credit where credit is due, that is always going to be the case for the studio here to really make it truly community driven and open source. And so yeah, with that, we can actually dive into trying out one of these agents. I just want to show you really quickly how this all works. And so, yeah, we can actually start with the Pydantic AI Web Researcher. So I built this agent in a previous video on my channel. And so I put it up here very specifically to give you that first example of how agents I create with my channel going forward. I'm going to have right up here on the studio so you can try it out and interact with what I'm teaching basically instantaneously. And so let's go into this and actually check it out. So I'll put this agent to work. This is using Pydantic AI, a wonderful agent Python framework behind the scenes, and it's an advanced web research agent. So it'll search the web and then summarize a bunch of articles before it gives that info to the LLM to eventually answer your questions. So it's a very, very powerful agent. So I can ask it something like, what are the cool new features for Gemini 2.0? So the kind of thing that the model by itself, which this is using Claude 3.5 Haiku under the hood, it doesn't have knowledge of Gemini 2.0 because of its training cutoff, but now it's researching the web. And you can see that in real time, it gives me updates as to what it is searching the web with. And so it feels very interactive and snappy in that way because I don't have to wait for the final response to actually get an idea of what is going on behind the scenes here. So it did all these searches here, and now it gave me an answer: native tool usage, multimodal capabilities, coding capabilities, integrated with Google's products, all really incredible things. And it even gave me a resource here, which is super, super cool. So yeah, and you can see here that we have chat history, we've got conversation histories, like this is a different chat that I had here where I asked about the net worth of Elon Musk. And yeah, you can start new conversations. It's just like everything that you need in an agent, where basically you click into any agent and you have this whole chat GPT like interface with chat and conversation history for every single one of them. It gives you updates in real time. It's got really nice markdown styling for its answers. I put so much effort into this for you, so I hope that you enjoy it. And yeah, one other agent I wanted to show off really quickly here is the one by Nate. The one that Zubair made is fantastic, by the way, as well. So maybe I'll show that after this here. But this one is just like a really cool showcase of the real-time features for the agents here. So I'll click into this. You give a target audience and what you want it to create content about, and then it makes a LinkedIn article, tweet, and blog post for you. So I can say something like, I want to write about agents for very technical people. And so it'll go into the agent, it'll take those two parameters there, extract the target audience and what you want to create content about, and then it'll actually search the web to get some relevant, up-to-date information, summarize what it researched, and then start creating the content here. So we'll see the LinkedIn article spit out in a little bit here, and then it'll go on to the X post, and then finally the blog post. And it's just so cool how like every step of the way it's updating me in real time, so I don't have to wait for the whole N8N workflow to finish before I can start reading about what it has outputted. So yeah, super, super cool. And like I alluded to, this is built with N8N, and then the other one was built with Pydantic AI. So really, really neat. And then yeah, let me just show Zubair's really quick here. Super, super cool. This one right here, you give a topic that you want it to research, and it'll scour small business forums, like people just posting about their small businesses and problems they have, and it'll find an idea to solve those problems or get inspiration from the post and give it to you. It's super cool. So I can say something like, for my topic, I could just say artificial intelligence, for example. And so now it'll go to the agent. This one's a little bit less real time, so it'll basically just get the full answer and then give it to me. But it's going to search for people talking about AI, find some sort of problem to solve, and then boom, there we go. So yep, attended a seminar on artificial intelligence. This is the summary of the post for inspiration. And then it gives me a business idea. And it generates all of this completely on the fly based on the research. And again, this is a workflow built within N8N that is using Claude 3.5 Haiku behind the scenes. So yeah, so many awesome things going on with this platform here. Be a part of this. Contribute some agents, or just be a part of our think tank community. So many things going on with oTTomator and the Live Agent Studio here, and so much that I have in store as well. So if you want to contribute, again, check out this developer guide. Super comprehensive documentation. Play around with these agents, go and view the source. I'll even show you this here right now. Go over to GitHub and you can see all the code. There'll be a README for every single agent showing you how to get started. So super robust, just so much value that I have packed into this for you, and I'm going to continue to pour in more and more and more as I build up this platform. So with that, I think that's everything that I got to cover for the Live Agent Studio. I hope that it looks phenomenal to you. So with that, we have officially launched the pre-release of the Live Agent Studio. And this is definitely the kind of thing that you can get very, very involved in. It's all a part of this open source community that I am building around bolt.diy, local AI agents, N8N, and a lot more to come. So come on in and contribute an agent or two, or three, or four, and I would absolutely love to feature them in the community and also on my channel in my videos and live streams. A lot more fun stuff and fun events coming up for the studio as well, so stay tuned for that. If you appreciated this content and you're looking forward to more things AI agents, I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe. And with that, I will see you in the next video.